Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Trap Hard drum kit and MIDI Pack 2021. Crazy sounds, man. You know we always got you as far as quality and amazing sounds is concerned.
Okay.
So before we actually go further, I would like to mention something that the beat that you can hear playing in the background, I made this beat using this drum kit. So what happened is I finished making this drum kit, but for some strange reasons and maybe family issues, I got caught up and I wasn't able to actually make the video and upload the whole thing.
Okay.
But I finished it, so I feel like I had to say that before we actually go further. So yeah, so that beat I made it using the drum kit. Crazy, right? You know we always got you, man. Crazy things. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started. So in this Trap Hard drum kit, I have some 808s, some hi-hats, some kicks, some MIDI, some percussions, and some snares. So to demonstrate the MIDIs, I'll be using Contact. So hopefully you have Contact. And all these MIDIs have different BPMs. So one is 150 BPM, the other one 145, the other one 55, the other one 50 BPM, the other one 40 BPM. So I've already written down for you, so you don't have to kind of move around with that. So it just gets easier for you to actually just get started in making that beat. So let's start off with the MIDI. So I'll load up the first MIDI. Let's get started. Alright, second MIDI called Flex. 145 BPM. Sorry for the underruns. Actually, let's just go ahead and change this so that we don't have to hear that again. Alright, there's a MIDI. Alright, the other MIDI, 150 BPM. Farmer. Alright, Little Spy. So this is a MIDI that I use in making that beat. Alright, so yeah, so that's it for the MIDIs, man. So let's just go ahead and jump straight to the drums. So for the hi-hats. Kicks. Percussion. Alright, snares. That's it. 808s. So that's it, man. That's it. So yeah, crazy, amazing sounds, man. You know we always got you 24/7. So yeah, so link in the description down below on where to actually download this kit. And if you having any any problems downloading this, just send me your email, or you can put it down in the comments down below. And please don't just leave it as a, don't just put the email there. Sometimes if you just put the email, YouTube might actually identify that as a spam, and I might not even be able to see your email. Or maybe you can just send it to me. You can send me a message through my email, which has been all up on the screen, or maybe my number. You can talk to me directly using my WhatsApp number, which is all up on the screen. And yeah, so that's it. And for the MIDIs, you don't have to use BPMs that I have there. You can just tweak it to your own liking. So that's it. Enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats. Stay safe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Namaste. Goodbye.